Over the last couple of weeks, I've shared some really long workshops. This video is the start of something different. My Lightroom Beginners Workshop, which is available still for free to you right now, it's linked right down below this video and on my channel, was almost 2 hours of content. I followed that up with an intermediate Lightroom, really looking at the local area adjustments. That was almost 2 hours of free content as well. And then followed up with building a website for photographers, well over an hour. And my most recent workshop was one where we talked about kind of the tips and tricks that I have to help you stay organized in Lightroom. So almost 8 hours of content, all available for free on this channel. Links are right down below this video, but this is the beginning of something different, and it's not original. There's other creators that do something similar, but every Monday I want to release a tip, probably going to be Lightroom related for a while, but on anything else photography that I want to share that is 1 minute in length. Let's go. How to bring together a collection of your favorite black and white photos. Collections are an incredibly powerful way to bring photos together no matter where they are in your Lightroom catalog. They could be on separate hard drives, they could be in an external drive, they could be in different folders, but a collection allows you to gather them all together. And it has this idea of a smart collection. This is kind of a search term that is constantly watching for photos that meet its criteria and will gather them together under one little collection. Let's call this Favorite Black and White. It has to match all of the following rules. The treatment is that it's black and white. Your other option is color. The rating is greater than or equal to 3 stars. It needs to match both of these to be an image that appears in this collection. And just like that, I have created an easy way to click and see in my Lightroom catalog, out of all the images I've shot, my favorite black and white photos. I mean, you're really limited by your imagination and how you put collections together. They're an incredibly powerful way to pull together and refer back to easily a group of photos on whatever criteria or criterias you decide. If you appreciated this video, give it a quick thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe. I'll be back with more quick tips on Lightrooms and all things photography. I said Lightrooms.